is where I came up with our side-by-side. I climbed up in here because there was cows coming at me trying to get out up on top of that hill. I have an itch in my boot. There's a snake in my boot. They ask you how you are, but you say that you're fine. And you're not really fine, you just don't know how. Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again. A voice that's softly in my head. See, that one's doable, I think. I just don't want to be, I want to be able to get out of the draw. If I'm not able to get out of the draw, I'm screwed. I got a boot itch and it's annoying the crap out of me. Could use my peg. Come on, peg. Work with me. Yeah, I just gotta take the way I normally take. I don't trust myself. I'd be stupid enough to get stuck in the draw. We're not in Kansas anymore. God, my boot is itchy. Something in my boot. Oh my God. Slid down that hill. Oh no, this is where I tried to climb up. I think I made it. No, I didn't. You could see it. This is what we call star thistle. They're every hunter's worst enemy. They hurt. For example, if I was deer hunting, I would have to crawl through that right now to try to look in that draw. I had star thistle on my arm like several months after deer season. It ruined one of my sweatshirts. I freaking hate star thistle. It's rough and it's coarse and it gets everywhere. Oh God. Oh God, that was, oh, my back. I need to see the chiropractor. Okay. I'm losing grip on my handlebars, but I don't care. Oh, frick. Come on, 250. Come on, baby. Come on. It's working. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Woo. I was going nowhere for a second. Holy crap. That was what we call sketch. My tire was spinning all the way up that. Whew. Oh, God. say Mighty Morphin is the worst Power Rangers ever. You guys don't know what a good show is.